Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining. I am so glad that you did. For anybody that's new and just stopping by for the first time, a very, very warm welcome. And for those who follow me on a regular basis, thank you so much. You mean the world to me. I'm coming on real quick just to let you know that I'm not feeling very well. I'm on some antibiotics and haven't met one that didn't like me. So if any of you suffer from antibiotics not liking you, my heart goes out to you. I just wanted to come on real quick to let you know that I'm okay. I'm just not feeling well, but I will be hopefully doing some more Craft With Me videos this weekend. Happy Friday, by the way. So a couple of days ago, I got an email from one of my followers who has become a sweet friend. I don't know if you read any of my comments, but she is from France, and she writes me in French, which is so delightful. Her name is Michelle. Bonjour, Michelle. I'm sorry, I get so emotional. Je t'aime. Anyway, she sent me, she scanned some of her favorite holy cards and she sent them to me via email, and I can't be more thrilled. And I will be putting these into my prayer journal in the future. I'm hoping to do that near Easter time. But anyway, I wanted to show you and everyone, the world, my gift. So here's the first one, and I'll show you what I'm going to be working on next in case you want to follow along. So there's the first one, and here's another. And another. Oh my goodness, they are so gorgeous. Look at this. So precious, and they printed so well. Thank you, Michelle. You did a great job scanning these. They do not look like they're printed, right, guys? Oh, except this one, I forgot to clip the corners. But anyway, they're just beautiful. I always keep this. Excuse me. Pardon me. There. So that's all set. And then there's this one. This one's the same. I might have printed those twice. Look at how lovely these are, and they're all in French. It's so precious. This one. Look at that. That may be a statue because the flowers are so gorgeous. And won't that look beautiful in my spring prayer journal? Oh, it's just beautiful. I printed them a couple of days ago. I just haven't felt very well. It's that one. I can't wait to use them. I have a little snap bag, the plastic ones, and I've been pulling things here and there as I find them and putting them in there so that, you know, I'm ready to make it when the time comes. So these will go in that plastic bag. This one. I haven't translated them all yet, so I can't tell you what they say. There's actually a question, Michelle, that I have. That is gorgeous. That looks like a Rembrandt. It's beautiful. I don't want to stack them all up, but I don't want to be out of camera either. That one. I have the question about these two. I haven't translated them yet, but do they go together and then perhaps fold. You can let me know, Michelle. But they came out gorgeous. Look at that cathedral. Oh my goodness. And then this, I believe, I'm not positive, but it fits real well. So this might be a postcard, but it's all in French, but it's got an Italian stamp. So it must have come from Italy. And it's this one. So I think this might be a postcard. I'm not sure. But it doesn't matter because I just love that. I can use it for so many things. And then this one. And then this, she sent me a piece of lace, which I think is brilliant. What she did was she put the lace on some black paper and taped it. So I'm going to start doing that. That is such a priceless gift. Thank you so much, Michelle. I truly appreciate it. So my next project that I'll be working on is the Valentine project. And I've been making a few Valentine videos. So Lydia came out with a new Valentine kit. She came out with several, but I've only printed this one. I'll leave the link below. And if you want to join me in creating this, it's going to be very simple. It won't take long. This is just one of the heart kits. She has, I think, 3 to choose from. And they're $2 and something cents American. I'm not positive, but I'll leave the link below. You just click on it. And you'll see it's in new releases, but I'll click to this particular kit if you like this one. And then look at her others as well, because she has many of these ones. There's that one. This is just one kit, and I don't believe I printed all the pages. There's this one, but this is the size they come, so there's 2 hearts on every page. And then there's this one. Aren't they beautiful? And then there's this one. And there's this one. So perfect for him, no matter what you want to do with them for Valentine's Day. And I printed the back with Peachy Pink Collection because most of my things that I've been printing or been making have been with either the cream kit or the Peachy Pink. The polka dotted kit came from the Peachy Pink, you know, the hearts, and that's this. Okay, so that's what I'll be making next. And I also printed to go with it some hearts and I love you on one side, hearts on the other. And these are on tracing paper, hearts and polka dots. And then of course, Je t'aime and Je t'aime on the back. And these I had printed already for another project that I haven't done yet. So I'll probably use them in this little project that I'm going to be making. Okay. And also, I watched my friend Meredith, who made a journal, and she's done something with these. So I'm going to link hers below so that you can watch that while I'm away. Well, I'm sure you have plenty of people you can watch while I'm away, but still. Anyway, thank you all for stopping by. Sorry I got a little emotional, but that's what happens to me when you guys do such sweet, wonderful, beautiful things for me for no reason. You're just all so sweet. I thank you all. So these are them. I hate stacking them all. So until I get feeling a little bit better, I hope that you all stay well. Continue to pray for California. And also think about my friend Celeste at Woodland Inspired. I've spoken of her before. She is in New York, and they have another lake effect snowstorm. I think they have like 5 feet of snow on the ground. And also another friend who is supposed to be getting a blizzard, I think this weekend sometime. So anyway, that is about it. Oh, I have one more announcement. Anybody watching this video and any videos I've done for the Valentine series, I think this will be, I'll count this as like number 1, 2, I think I've done 3. This might be the 4th. I'll check. But I'm going to do a giveaway on February 14th, Valentine's Day, on the whole ensemble of everything I've made for Valentine's Day, because it's time. I haven't done a giveaway in a while. So anything I have made, if you've watched those videos and commented and would like the ensemble, there's a pouch, which I didn't make on camera, I just showed people. There's a little journal, which I did not make on camera, I just put it together. There is the Valentine cards, that was one video I did, and then another video was the little fold out that had, it was like a little folio and it had little tags in it. And I'm going to continue, with the little Valentine series. And if you would like to have that, please leave, a comment at the end of this video and any video that I have marked Valentine's Day. Okay, I'll put this as Valentine video number 3 or 4, whichever Valentine video this is. I think it's 3. This would be the 3rd Valentine video. Okay. And so it will probably say Valentine Part 3 and also Gift from Michelle. Okay? All right, everybody. As soon as I start feeling better, I'll be back to craft with you again. And until then, be safe, be kind, be sweet, and God bless. Goodbye, everybody. Take care.